Guys, welcome to Road Activities. This is your boy Ronnie here. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I just installed one of my old camera on the visor, that you can see that. So I just wanted to see how the angle works, and doing the trial and error. So yeah, I just wanted to see how does it capture. There are cops ahead. I'm not sure if they'll say anything for this. The current situation that the cops are actually on their toes. There are lots of issues that are going on and happening. There are even in some places protests also happening. So there are lots of things that are slowly changing. One way it is good, it's changing for the gooder side, but at the same time the cops, they sometimes take things for granted. Even for a small sticker they can charge you up to 500 rupees. So the things are a little tensed. So let's see. And I just wanted to see when I'm going on the road, how is the vibration, because there is a little bit of vibration on this camera that's coming. So if this does not work, I have to see another place where I can install it. So yeah. So as long as it is a smooth road, it's fine. The moment there are bumps, there is a bit shaking. So guys, I use a GoPro 7. So this is the GoPro 7 that I use, and the one that you are viewing now is the Xiaomi 4K. This is my first camera which I bought, but unfortunately this did not have the audio facility on this. So then that's when I changed it to this GoPro 7. And this is the adapter place. And this is the mic connection that you can see. So yeah, maybe I'll show you in another video how it gets installed, how to get it installed. And yeah, this is the AGV helmet that I have, the Birdie edition. This is the gold visor, and this is the Senna 50S. Yeah. And those who saw my Senna 50S unboxing, I've told you guys that I'll give you a proper review or a feedback about it. So well guys, this is amazing, easy to control, not much of complications and things like that. So this is one of the best intercom system that you can get. Loud and clear, crisp. Even if you want to hear the sound exclusive from outside, you can, there's a switch over here. Just press that switch, and even the smallest touch on the helmet, you can feel it, you can hear that sound. So that's another good part that I've noticed. Yeah. So guys, I just wanted to let you know, follow me on Instagram. Follow me there. I'm posting some exciting stuff there. Even I'm planning to do a giveaway. I'm not sure when, but I'll soon plan that when time comes. So yeah, the things are getting more tough for the riders. Cops are catching everyone for no reason. There are even many people getting caught for no reason. Yeah, there are genuine reasons also being caught, but I see there is a huge innocent people is getting targeted for no reason. So I'm not sure why. So just be smart, and just try to avoid not to jump in front of the cops, because they can find the simplest of things and give you a fine. So that is how it works now. So yeah, so that's all guys. and see, this is proven to be even a trick. You even keep a dummy camera on your helmet, the cops will avoid catching you or questioning you certain times, most of the times. Trust me, I've experienced it. And they'll be very nice to you, especially when they see there's a camera rolling. So but that shouldn't be the case, every time we cannot have a camera installed on our helmet, right? So let's not go with a war with the cops, but let's try to make them understand, and let's do things wise. Be smart, that's all. Be smart and think and do things accordingly. That's what I can say. So yeah, so that's all, guys. So as I always say, ride safe, take care, and God bless you. Bye.